I have this picnic table here on my little backyard patio, and I want to make it a little more inviting by setting up a little brick path to it. What I need to do is dig up some of the dirt attached to this pathway here and take some of that dirt and level it off, because it is a little bit of a downgrade there to the deck. So I'm going to level it off so I can put some more brick in there. Starting to break the soil. That's always an exciting step. Taking some of the dirt from this side, which is higher, and putting it over there where I need it raised up. It's going to be 4 bricks wide, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to there. Yep. It's always fun when you begin a project. Breaking soil. This goat weed is very invasive. I do love the smell of it, but it definitely gets in and around all your other plants. So be careful where you plant it. This side here. There's my little path. That's all I wanted to do was just have a little aisle. Here's my brick path at the end, and I love how I changed up the pattern a little bit using broken brick pieces. Just gives it some visual detail, and I just love how it turned out. to like and subscribe Handy Mandy Canada to see all my videos.